I'm going to put immediately in the fridge. We have salmon and minced beef, more salmon, mozzarella, because I want to make pizzaiola tomorrow. And for the recipe, I even got this tomato. Can you guys believe I don't remember what quotes say in English is? Normally I take another type of like fish mix, but they didn't have it, so I had to take this one. So yeah, I'm going to make pasta with this. Okay, let me show you now what we got from the supermarket. These are everything. Normally we shop like this once a month, and sometimes when we're missing something, we just get straight from nearby supermarket. Can you see the new light, you guys? How beautiful is that? I'm going to put the link of that light in the description. Like, look at that. That's so beautiful. I really like the separation of colors. It's so beautiful. Okay. I'm going to show you really quick what I got. I got this piadine. So inside there are 3. So that's why I got 2. Another thing that I got is this rice. This is one of my favorite rice, apart from like white rice. That is always my favorite. But I really love this type of rice here because it takes very short time to cook. And another thing, it tastes different. Today morning for breakfast, actually I ate breakfast at 12. So that was like breakfast and lunch. I made fried rice. I just mixed some vegetables and eggs. I used this rice and it was so good. If you live in Italy, then you can find this at Palm or like the same brand, but you can find this rice like anywhere. Okay, I wanted to show you the open one. You see the color of the rice? Light brown color. So good, you guys. Celery. For the first time, I'm going to cut this and put in the fridge. I'm not going to use all of this because these are for like recipe when I do like sauce or something. And I even got carrots, cucumbers, lemons, tomato, onions, and eggs. I got me some milk for my pancakes, beans. I'm Tanzania. I really love beans with coconut. Normally I go for these transparent jars because you can see inside that they are like soft. I need to try to make by myself. We got grapes, mayonnaise, and this biscuit. Pan di Stella. My kids really love this, especially Terry. And another thing that we get, banana. We got banana. I am going to make banana bread today. One of my vlog, I already posted it. I showed you how I make my banana bread. I'm going to put the link of that video in the description if you want to see how I make my banana bread. Yes. So today we are going to make that, but I'm not going to vlog since I showed you that already. So I'm not going to vlog. And yeah, so I have to I have to put this stuff in the fridge, and I have to like divide the minced beef and put in the freezer. Okay, done with the meat. I have this one for like white sauce for pasta and this one for meatball. I want to make meatball in one of these days. And this one when we are going to make like hamburger. I like to do my hamburgers from scratch by myself, so I really like to do like this because it's easier for the beef to like defrost. It takes like 1 hour, 1 hour and a half for them to defrost when you put like this, and it saves some space too. It's instead of putting like this thing inside, just put this and you can divide them. You don't have to put them like all together, which is perfect. Sì, quello ho visto. Fa vedere. Questo ho visto.
Oddio, chiudi. L'acqua sulle verdure. Oddio. Mamma, sto facendo un video. Hi guys. Poi come si dice? Aspetta. Però la mamma mi fa fare i capelli e poi andiamo a cambiarci e poi c'ho Armen, però non mi...
Mi hai sentito? Cosa? Io parlo, tu parli, noi parliamo, voi parliate.
Io parlo, tu parli e
Noi parliamo.
Io parlo, tu parli, egli parla. Noi parliamo, voi parlate e si parlano.
Si parla.
E si vuol dire noi, si vuol dire così.
Ah, ecco. Noi parleremo.
Tanto bene quindi. Lei sa solo dire riso, rice.
This is how I eat my rice with banana, coconut beans. Ale, non vuoi? My husband doesn't want my coconut beans, but I'm going to eat it. This is how you save it. That is the end of the vlog. I'll see you guys on my next. Bye.